Donny, yes. Yes, no. Donny, I can't talk now. I'm going to do a lesson soon, so... Oh, hello, children. Good morning. The children are waiting. Okay, very quickly. Donald wants to say hello quickly, so... God bless America! Give me 5, children. Hello. Okay, Donny, that's enough. I'll speak to you later. Goodbye, I have to go. Sorry, children, sorry. He keeps phoning me. Now, today is Thursday, the 23rd of April. It's 9:30 in the morning. And today it's cloudy and rainy, maybe, and it's cold. So, today we are going to talk about the letter Y. Do you remember the alphabet? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Here's the letter Y. We can think of lots of words which start with Y. Yellow, yes, you, yacht, yo-yo. But today we're going to talk about words that finish with Y. Can you think of any words that finish, that end with the letter Y? Good. Baby, city, dirty, dirty hands, and also my, cry. There's lots of words, but we'll see those later. And also syllables. Syllables. What are syllables? Good. Now we can count syllables clapping our hands. For example, how many syllables in the word happy? All we need to do is say the word and clap. Happy. 2 syllables. Dirty. Dirty. 2 syllables. My. 1 syllable. We'll have a look at this again later. First, I want to check the homework from yesterday. So, I asked you to complete page 102 and 103 in your activity book. Exercise 1, city places, luoghi della città. This was very simple. Park, road and zoo. Now, you could have found all this information on page 143 of your learner's book. Now, all this vocabulary, now you remember it. Then I asked you here in the challenge to write 2 more city places. I wrote supermarket and shop, but there was swimming pool, zoo, traffic light, shop, building, lots of places, school. And then exercise 3 was the dialogue. Do you remember the dialogue of the ice cream seller? The ice cream seller who says, hello, would you like an ice cream? Yes, please, I'd like a banana ice cream. Big or small? Big, please. Here you are. Thank you. This is a conversation between the girl and the ice cream seller. And the last challenge was 3 words from the city places. They were words that you could find in your learner's book. Now, the words were, you put your litter, remember litter, l'immondizia, la cartaccia, it goes in the bin. You can find this in a park. Fish live in it. There's one in Villa Flaminia with ducks. It's the lake. And they can be tall or short. Alti or bassi. Sometimes they have gardens on the top. Buildings, buildings. Oh, that's it. Okay, that was your homework. Now, I want you to go back to your learner's book on page, let me see what page it is, page 126. 126 of the learner's book. Let me put this on the table, then you can see. Now, as I was saying, Y, this letter, Ypsilon in English, is Y. Shall we repeat that? Y. These are endings, so the word finishes in Y. Okay, my city. 2 words with Y at the end. But listen to the pronunciation. My and city. Okay, first let's count how many syllables. As I said before, my, 1 syllable. City. City, 2 syllables. 2 syllables. Now, when the word is 1 syllable, Y is pronounced like I. My, try, piangere, cry, volare, fly. But when there are 2 syllables or 3 syllables in the word, city, or pretty, which means beautiful, pretty, the Y sounds like or is pronounced like E. So let's look at this again. My, try, but city and pretty. So this Y, the letter Y, has 2 pronunciations. Let's look at these words. Tell me first, how many syllables? Baby. 1, 2. Baby. Cry. 1 syllable. Carry. 2 syllables. Fly. Fly. 1 syllable. Happy. 2 syllables. Rainy. 2 syllables. Sky. Y. 1 syllable. Now, I want you to complete this exercise 4. You can do this at home when the video's finished. We're going to use these words to complete the sentences. It's a day. Don't forget your umbrella. What goes here in the it's a rainy day. Don't forget your umbrella. The is blue today. The sky is blue today. So I want you to copy these words to complete the sentences. Then I want you to complete exercise 1 and the challenge in your activity book. I want you just to count the syllables, 1, 2 or 3. Baby, baby. 2, bakery. Bakery, 3 syllables. And then here you have to find 3 words with the letter Y. So this is your homework 2. Exercise 4 and exercise 1. Then finally, I want you to look at the back of your book from page 136, which is number 1. And you have to read exercise 1, people, 2, school, 3, the body, 4, food. Insomma, all these pages, and I want you to make a list of words with Y, with the letter Y. For example, look, baby, boy, family, crayons. This is in the middle, so it doesn't count because it has to be the last letter. But here we have eyes, strawberry. So I want you to make a list. I have a list here of the words. I found 11 words, but I'm not going to show you that. That's for tomorrow. So, 2 homeworks in your exercise book, in your learner's book and activity book, and then to copy in your exercise book a list of words using the vocabulary on these pages. Okay, and I will see you tomorrow to talk about it. Bye bye, children.